If you're experiencing a verification pending status on Revue, it can be frustrating. Follow these steps to quickly resolve the issue. Step 1. Check your email. Make sure you have received the verification email from Revue. Sometimes it may end up in your spam or junk folder, so be sure to check there as well. Step 2. Resend verification email. If you didn't receive the email, go to the Revue login page and look for the option to resend the verification email. Click it to trigger a new email to your registered address. Step 3. Verify your email address. Once you receive the verification email, open it and click on the verification link provided. This will confirm your email address and should update your status. Step 4. Clear browser cache. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SRF to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Contact support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Revue's customer support for assistance. Provide them with your account details and explain the issue for a quicker resolution. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the verification pending issue on Revue. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from the support team.